मेज में हम आ गए, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। बना भी लेगी नायका ऐसा तो। ये मेरे दोनों बच्चे बजा भी लेंगे। That's my hat right there. It's very similar to India, minus the people. मुझे 3 लोकल दिखे, मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है यहाँ पे। चुप क्यों है ये लोग, बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे, निकल क्यों नहीं रहे बाहर, पता नहीं। हिंदी में एक कहावत होती है ना, गाँव बसा नहीं लुटेरे आ गए हैं। खाना भी पर्ल्स का मिलेगा। इनको हम फैन नहीं बोलेंगे, इनको हम पंखा बोलेंगे। ओह वो मेरे को पुराने जमाने की पिक्चर, तो हमारी दादी नानी की भी ऐसी ही थी सारी। Hi everyone, welcome from Bahrain. Good morning. Today is a new day and we are going for a city tour today. This is my look. I'm going down for breakfast and मैं फटाफट कॉफ़ी पी के हम निकल जाएंगे because I am late. And one second look दिखा देती हूँ। Yeah, how cute is this? पर एक ब्लेंडर हो गया है, जिप बंद नहीं हो रही है। This is the breakfast place. We've come to their local museum here. Very excited to be here. इस मेज में हम आ गए, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। You're back. अच्छा, that's the way to go out then. I saw some people. यार इसमें मिरर कौन सा है और क्या है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। नहीं, इधर है, ये रहा निकलने का। नताशा, इधर से आना है। Yeah, I got out of here. Wow, Anayika would have enjoyed this. बना भी लेगी Anayika ऐसा तो। ये मेरे दोनों बच्चे बजा भी लेंगे। ओ ये कुछ और ही अनोखा है। नहीं, पियानो। ये भी बना लेगी Anayika एक्चुअली। Hello. Wow, this room is so nice. और ये इटालियन पुतले यहाँ पे भी आ गए हैं।
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप।
बाहर शूटें चल रही हैं बहुत। That's my hat right there. It flew. Thank you so much. बेचारा मेरा हैट। कुछ बनाया तो है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या भाई। So we are done at the museum. It was so pretty. And next stop is this one jewelry place, which is one of the oldest jewelers in Bahrain. So we are going to the store to check out. Also, Bahrain is known for its pearls, and we are also going to be going to the pearl market or Pearl Street or something. So this is where we've come. It's one of the jewelry stores. चलो, मेरा तो सर दर्द हो रहा है अभी से, ऐसी गर्मी पड़ी है यहाँ। They're saying we got lucky because the weather is still better because it gets even hotter, but so I think we're going to a cafe now to freshen up. बहुत बाहर गर्मी है, शुक्र है हम अभी अंदर हैं थोड़ी देर। सर फट गया है दर्द से मेरा तो। ट्राइंग टू सी मैं कितनी बकबक करती हूँ अपने व्लॉग में। वी हैव कम टू दिस वेरी खूबसूरत काइंड ऑफ कैफे। लुक एट दिस। गाइस आप इस जगह की महंगाई देख सकते हैं। It's more expensive than the jeweler shop, I feel. You won't believe, but I've done an outfit change and this is so cute. I've got so many compliments already. और मैंने पूरी look change करी है. How's it looking? गर्मी बहुत है, but we were in this cafe. मैंने तुम्हें दिखाया था and वहाँ पे मैंने washroom में check कर दिया. So we've come to this museum, which is the Museum of Nostalgia. All old-time things. Wow. यहाँ पे Indians के भी होंगे. They said ना they used to be fan of Indian films and all. Old-time clothes. वो देखो शेप बनाते थे जिससे. ये देखो मशीन. ये टूल्स. जंग लगे हुए. अच्छा ये इनका बोट का कुछ पार्ट है एक. And what is this? पुराने पत्थर भी हैं. सब इकट्ठा कर लिए इन्होंने. And these murder weapons. वो देखो. इनको हम फैन नहीं बोलेंगे, इनको हम पंखा बोलेंगे.
बात तो सही है.
ओ यार ये तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. सारी पुरानी चीजें डाली हैं यहाँ पे. ओ these cameras तो we've also used. Used to be those digi cams, you remember? So cool. Oh, this is the old film making वाला thing. I think so. It's that. Yeah. Wow. So cool ना. Oh वो देखो पुराने ज़माने की पिक्चर. तो हमारी दादी नानी की भी ऐसी ही थी सारी.
Attached.
And those reels that used to go in the cameras. And we had a monopoly.
You guys can have one museum of your own.
Yeah, the things that we do. वो देखो आ गए. Cup plates. Oh, these tiffins. My God. Like this is so Indian. Lot of things. Yeah. ये करते थे ना हमारी मम्मियाँ जो संभालती थी, कभी निकालती नहीं थी. गेस्ट आएंगे तो निकालेंगे.
I used to be a crockery mom.
And they used to be never out. Because suddenly आ गए गेस्ट, अब निकाली ही नहीं क्रॉकरी. कि वो है ये. वो देखो किट कैट के कप्स, मग्स. ओ पुरानी कोक आ गई सारी. कैंपा कोला एंड ऑल दैट. वाओ, सी दीज.
सब कुछ सेम है.
हाँ ये सब सेम है. देख लो तुम लोग बचपन में जो लोग स्मोक करते थे उनको याद होगा. If there are any oldies. एक होती थी ना नकली सिगरेट वाइट कलर की. That we used to like pose with. तो ऐसे लग रहा है पुराना स्टोर में घुस आए हैं कोई.
Chiclets and all. I don't want us to get lost.
पोलो, a mint with a hole. याद है. और ये बच्चों के ये भी पड़े हुए हैं क्या फॉर्मूला पुराने सेरेलैक एंड ऑल. Oh my God, I can't believe ये फीडिंग वीडिंग ये वो सारे पुराना. बेसिकली एक स्टोर इन्होंने खोला है. लग रहा है कि 1990s की किसी सुपरमार्केट में मैं आ गई हूँ और वो सारा सामान दिख ही जा रहा है. We will get lost here.
Restaurants, art galleries.
Yeah.
Some of them will be boutique hotels as well.
Okay. So that is how the local streets where people live look like. It's very similar to India minus the people. हिंदी में एक कहावत होती है ना, गांव बसा नहीं लुटेरे आ गए हैं. ये वही लग रहा है मुझे. बसा नहीं और हम लुटेरे टाइप के लोग हैं जो अपनी फोटो ही खींचने आ गए हैं. बट एक्चुअली देयर आर पीपल इनसाइड दीज हाउसेस. में चुप क्यों हैं ये लोग, बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे, निकल क्यों नहीं रहे बाहर, पता नहीं. मे बी बिकॉज इट्स हॉट, मे बी इट्स देयर लंच टाइम और आई डोंट नो. या दे लाइक टू स्टे इनडोर्स बट लोग नहीं निकलते यहाँ बाहर. मुझे 3 लोकल दिखे, मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है यहाँ पे. बाकी सारे लोग. This was the old capital of Bahrain. That's why a lot of people don't live here. But even if they lived, I don't think they'll come out of their houses. Hi! ये एक और घर देख लो यार. देखो दरवाजे हैं, खिड़की हैं. So unusual.
It's really special because it talks about different things that are important in our culture. One of them is women, since you're women.
Yeah.
I am next time.
Ah,
We're taking chances there. It seems like a nice boy. We call this tulsi. Wow. This is the mother of pearl. I love these walls. Yeah? They're so nice. Beautiful. परोसे हुए हैं पर्ल हमारे को कि ये लो, यहाँ खाना भी पर्ल्स का मिलेगा. the way, if you are thinking कि मेरे शक्ल के कलर्स चेंज हो गए because I'm using somebody else's phone, my battery is conked off. Ta-da, ta-da. This is what they wear on wedding, Sehra.
This is choke.
Also, this is. I thought the Sehra.
No, we have that it's up, but this is choke.
This is all Cartier jewelry and they've used pearls. Wow! What stunning watches.
This was a room, but it's built in 1850.
What is this, a wedding? This is a wedding? I hope this is not like a storm. Oh God, it's very hot. हम लोगों ने 1 करोड़ फोटो खींच ली है कम से कम between 4 girls.
नहीं, तू समझा नहीं. अबे क्या बोल रहा है? पिलियन बोल.
So lovely. We've come to this restaurant. It's a seafood restaurant, and it's right next to the sea. So we just finished our last dinner and this is our last night here, and I really can't wait to get back home. Looking at the situation right now, we don't know. We've preponed our flight. We were supposed to fly tomorrow night, but now we are flying tomorrow in the afternoon. Also, night flights, a lot of people said it's not safe. Also, a lot of flights are going to stop their operations. So I think it's better to fly out as soon as we can. That's the plan right now, and we're just hoping that the flight takes off and it also reaches Mumbai and that we can reach home safely. Can't wait to get back home to their families, and I hope everyone's safe. I hope you guys are all safe and with your families. It's very unfortunate whatever has happened. We are all very anxious right now. We didn't know it's going to escalate this way, and I don't even know what to say right now. I just want to get back home, and that's it. Yeah. Hi guys, quick update. Last few hours here in Bahrain, we have successfully preponed our flights because of the situation right now, and also we are just hoping that the flights don't get cancelled, and we are extremely stressed. Had to shoot content for the hotel and all of that, whatever we had come here for basically, but everything stopped obviously, and the brand has booked us on the first flight that we could get. Actually there was a flight last night, but because we couldn't pack and suddenly leave and they couldn't find tickets for all of us, we thought that it's better to stick together as a group. We were supposed to reach tomorrow, but we're going today because we found a flight. Yeah, I think I just want to reach home ASAP and be with my kids, be with Gautam. They're hard times, but I hope it doesn't escalate further. I hope things settle down soon, and I hope everyone stays safe. So just be safe guys, and just hoping, because a lot of flight operations have stopped a lot of flights are not operating to India and Pakistan. So we are just hoping that our flight takes off and lands, one safely, and second they don't cancel or divert our flights. And that's it. That's the update. And I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog. I'm really not in a mood to be vlogging right now, but this was the update that I had, and I can't wait to get back home now.